What's up, guys? Welcome back to Meat Farmer. So today I'm gonna guide you guys how to use the smartphone farm. So as you can see right now, this is I have the 5 phone right now to test it, and the software. Of course, when you bought it, we were setting up everything for you. And to run the system, you will need to buy the account and the Proxy. So that means you gotta buy the account from the website or any contact that you want. So I having the 10 Facebook account right now, and now I will enter it to the software. So this is the main dashboard of the software. So this allow you to create many files of the account. So this will depend on the strategy that you want to run. So if you want to run them for maybe the marketing, you can create the basic file for marketing. Or if you want to run it for maybe the comment, you can create a file of comment for the basic account that you want. So I can create the new folder right here. The new folder right here. I will name it maybe 10 Facebook to test it. Right. Okay, click the add button. Okay, so it will show you the file of 10 at Facebook test. Right now I will import the account right here. Click to import account to enter. You will see it. So right now we need to copy all the test. Copy it. Okay, and pass it to the software. So it's very easy to understand the format. So usually the first format of Facebook account will be the UID. This is the ID of the user of Facebook. And the next one, it will be the password of the Facebook account. And the third one will be the survey code. That means the security code for the account. And the next one, this will be the cookie. So every letter start from the letter C is always be the cookie. And the next one, they will have the token. The token that means the format of the Facebook where you log in. So every letter they start from the E and A, it will be the token. And the last one, they will have the email and the password of the email. But in this case, it will depend on the provider that's selling you the account. Like usually, it will have the email. Okay, when you check it carefully, click the add button right here. So that we have successfully to enter the Facebook account to the software, right? Okay, close the test. Close it. Okay, so this is 10 account Facebook, and right now you need to enter the Proxy. So I got the Proxy right here. So usually what is the best Proxy to run the Facebook? Usually you can use the residential, you can use the mobile Proxy, you can use the 4G Proxy or something. It will depend on the warm-up process, right? But I usually use the residential Proxy. I'm having the file right now which have the some residential Proxy, the static Proxy. Okay, I will just highlight the 10 Proxy, copy it. Okay, get back to the software. You will see that you can enter the Proxy automatically just by highlight the account like this. Okay, choose it and highlight the account. So they will highlight the 10 Facebook account. Okay, I will open more bigger. Okay, click enter Proxy. Okay, when you highlight the account, click the enter Proxy. Okay, and pass the Proxy in here. Pass the Proxy. Okay, so you can setting how many account per Proxy. Usually for the static Proxy, residential, we usually use for 1 to 2 account per Proxy. Okay, you can setting the import Proxy like sequence or random, and click confirm. So click yes. So as you can see on the board, they already have the Proxy right now. Okay, they already have the Proxy. So we have to simply enter the account, enter the Proxy. So right now we're gonna run the automation script. Okay, so you just need to focus on the interactive config to create a script. Click it. Okay, you will see the script right here. Click it. Okay, so this is where you can create a lot of script that you want to run. So you can create a file of the script. Like example, just like the file of the account that you want to run. Okay, I will create a file of the script that I want to run. Like the warm up something. Click it, add button. Okay, click to the warm up script that we just created. So right now there is no action on the warm up file. We need to add the action. Click to the plus icon right here. Okay, so you will see that this is the old action list that you can automate the Facebook account from tap button, scrolling and clicks. So we got the read notification, interact new feed. So some action basically. And the next one we have the add friend, join group, post the word, post the video, and also we have the setting. That means you can push the interaction such as like, view, follow, comment, or something. And even that we can change the information as well. And we can change the info, the multiple account automatically. Okay, we got to set up the script for the new account, log in the new device, right? So we need to carefully about this. I will guide you guys some trick to warm up the account. For the first account that logged into the new device, we got new account, right? We got the new Proxy, right? So we need to log in and warm up very little, like just scrolling and don't interact yet, don't interact. Okay, and when finish, leave them for 24 hours. Leave them for 24 hours. So that will make the account get used with the IP address and get used with the new device. So just imagine that you buy the account, you bought the account, right? You bought the account, and then you log in the new device, and you are using them for spamming or do any interaction, but a lot of that will make them look like the robot. So we need to warm up very little, just scrolling, don't interact. When finished, leave them for 24 hours to get used with the IP address and get used with the device. So I will add some feature. For example, the behavior of the user that they log into the device, they usually read the notification. So I will add the notification. We will setting. So this is the how many actions that you want to add. Like example, we can setting from 1 to 1. This is the count. So they will read only one notification. Click the add button. Okay, and then you can add more feature, more action that you want. Click add it. So we got the interact new feed, right? The interact new feed. So you can setting how many posts they're gonna scrolling. So in this case, you can setting from maybe 7 to 20. That means they will take randomly the post to scrolling. Like from 7 to 20, they will take randomly. Maybe 10 posts, maybe 15, maybe 17. They will take randomly. And the below, they will have the viewing time. So, like example, I usually put from 2 to 4 seconds. So this is the viewing time by second. And then they can interaction. So this is the repairability. That means when you put 100%, they will always like the post 100%. But if you put 50%, so sometimes they will like the post, sometimes they will not. So this will make the account look like the real people and not like spamming or not like the robot behavior. And then we got share to the wall, and below this is the share content where you put it, the content, right? The content. And the comment on the post, the random post on the new feed, and the comment by image also. So for the new account and the new device, as I mentioned before, just rolling, don't interact yet. So I will put just rolling, click the add button. And then you can add more. So this is the rig time. That means they will delay a little bit. So when they finish the first action, they will delay from 3 to 5 seconds, and they will move to the next action. Click the add button. Okay, and then you can click the reel, scrolling the reel right here. Interact with the reel right here. So you gotta practice a lot to understand the action. We can put them to interact with the randomly video, the video by keyword as well. So this is the limit interact video. You can put it limit interact time, so they will interact in that time. Usually I will put from interact limit video. Setting from 10 to 20 video, and the viewing time maybe from 5 to 8 seconds or something. Then we'll click the add button. So some section below, it look like the same user interface with interact new feed, and the order look like the same. The rapidity, the delay time, how many posts, it's always the same user interface. Click the add button. Okay, so we have the 4 action in the warm-up script, and when you finish, click save it. Okay, click save it. So just remember, we can shuffle the action order for the multiple account if you don't want the multiple account to make the action at the same time, look like the same. So we got the shuffle action order right here. So each account they will do each action at the same time. Let's save it. Okay, and then please remember to choose the script that you want to run. So I'm just creating a script called warm up, right? Click to warm up, and then save it. Okay, right now we are successfully to create a script. So I'm just need to highlight the account right here. Choose it, highlight the account. Click the start button right here. So click the start button again. Okay, just remember, when you put the proxy, you need to connect the Wi-Fi. So let's take a look about the phone. So they all have the Wi-Fi already. So that means before you open the software, you need to connect the Wi-Fi. But this is just one time. When you open the second time, they will back up the Wi-Fi password, and they will log in automatically. Okay, click the start button. As you can see right now on the software, they will have a description. The first one, they will change the device, they will check the IP address, and they will log in the Facebook app. Let's get back to the Panda software. So as you can see right now, I will open the bigger. As you can see right now, this is the Facebook interface of the version 4.85. So the first thing they will do that, they will enter the UID of the account and then enter the password of the account. Click login. So just imagine that every action you are doing manually on the phone, on the app. So we automate it already. Okay, and so sometimes the account, they will not get the right password, right? And you can ask the provider again to check it and renew the new account. Or the software, they will bypass and they will move to the next account. Okay, about the 2FA code, they will auto log in. They will auto get a code and they will auto log in to the Facebook. Okay, so this is where when they log into the Facebook, and they will link the sale info. This will make them look like the real people. Okay. just follow on the stream. Okay, so as you can see, just remember it. I add the sub for action order, right? So each account they will do the each action. So this one is rolling the new feed. This one is rolling the real video. This one is running the real video too. So each account they will do the each action. This will depend on how many action that you want. Okay, so this is the tutorial of the match phone farm, the part 1. How to enter the account, how to enter the proxy, how to create a script on interactive config session, how to run the script. So it's kind of simple. If you want to buy the boss phone, just hit the DM below if you're caring about this system, of course. I will support you, okay? Thank you guys for watching. That's all for now. See you in the next video.